How to send USDC from Phantom Wallet to Binance. For that, you need to first of all launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Over here you will be able to see the USDC token if you already have USDC in your Phantom Wallet. But currently, as you can see, that I don't have USDC in my account, so I'm going to demonstrate the steps on Solana. So you just have to simply tap on USDC, and after that you just have to tap on the send option. You can even go to the up and tap on the send option, and then you can select any of the network that you want to use in order to send USDC. For this video I have selected the Solana network. Now it is asking me to provide the name and the address. So in order to get the USDC address from Binance, you need to launch your Binance mobile application, then tap on the add funds option. After that, select the deposit crypto option and use the search bar in the top and search for USDC. Once you are able to find USDC coin, you simply need to tap on it. Now it will ask you to select the network. So since in the Phantom Wallet I had selected Solana network, you simply have to tap on the same network that you have selected in Solana in your Phantom Wallet, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So you need to copy that address from here, then go back to your Phantom Wallet and paste the address in this section. Afterwards, you need to tap on the next button in the bottom. On the next page, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer. Then you need to just initiate your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to send your USDC from the Phantom Wallet. Then you just have to wait for some time until you receive it in your Binance account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.